I'm very humbled and honored to be receiving this award from Stonewalls. I got in the 2010 race to run for school board primarily because I was trying to get somebody good for our school board, and I was out there trying to be a good candidate, and Susan Eggman sat me down and had a conversation and said, you know what, you're the candidate that should run for your area, and we need someone who will fight for the education for all our kids, for their future, and for our future as a city. And so by the end of our talk, I realized it would be a sin if I didn't run. And so I put my grassroots sneakers on and I walked my area, and I had a lot of support. Stonewall Dems supported me early on, so did Susan. And that difference really helped me understand what it takes to make a difference politically for a good cause. And so I was privileged to get elected by a wide margin. And so I've been doing my thing as a school board member since 2010. I'm now the president of the school board, and I'm seeing a positive impact